Time is money, and I bet you have a lot to care when at work. So wouldn't it be nice to get a little more efficient working with your data, dashboards and reports? Let's take a simple example. Instead of proactively monitoring all your customers whether they are overdue paying their bills, it would be much better to get notified when there are some overdues existing. So you only have to study the details when there really is something to spot. That's what Power BI's data-driven alerts are about. So let's take a look on how this is done. In order to take advantage of data-driven alerts, you have to use the Power BI Cloud service. Alerting is available in all licenses, even in Power BI Free, and there is no need to explicitly activate the feature in any setting. Data-driven alerts are only available on tiles on your dashboards, and only if the tile you want to add the alert to is based on a single Power BI native card KPI or gorge visual. Other visuals, especially custom visuals, won't work at the moment. Data alerts are also currently not available for pinned report pages. To get started, you simply have to pin your visuals to a dashboard. Be aware that the dashboard tile will be created using the filter context in place during creation. This context will be kept all the time, no matter how you change the context on the base visual in the underlying report. So be sure to set your filters according to the scenario you want to be alerted about. By the way, the tiles and alerts will even remain in place when the underlying visual in the report becomes invisible for some reasons, allowing for even more alerting scenarios. Data-driven alerts are available via the ellipses on the dashboard tiles. There you can find the Manage Alerts section. Configuring the alerts is an easy thing to do. You can set the name and toggle whether the alerts should be activated or not. You can define a notification rule containing a threshold and the frequency of alerting. The threshold always has to be a numeric value, for example a decimal. Percentages and other formats are not supported. In addition to a message in the notification section of Power BI service, you can also opt in for receiving an email. This will contain the alert message and a link to the alerting dashboard tile. There's even the option to connect your alert to Power Automate to initiate further processes based on the alert. When this is done, just hit Save. Please note that you only can configure notifications for yourself, not for other people. When alerting is in place, constraints will be checked every time the underlying dataset and the tile built on top of it is refreshed. That's the reason why alerting is only available on datasets that need to be refreshed, meaning import and streaming data. It is not available for live connections or in direct query mode. Depending on your licensing, dashboard refresh can take up to 50 minutes after refresh of the underlying dataset. I would also like to give you the hint that there is a section to manage all your alerts within the Power BI settings. There you can see all the alerts available for you in a summarized overview. So what do you think? Is this a valuable feature? For which scenario do you utilize data-driven alerts? Tell me in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And for now, stay healthy, stay safe, and goodbye from Hamburg.